Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a family has other members in while you switch to any kind of family sharing on Apple ID on iPhone iOS 18. So if you got this kind of error on while switching to family or sharing with the family account, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to be watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply close the page, and after that what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general. So here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have simply open a name or Apple ID here. So here you have simply open your family, and what you have to check, if you are an organizer of the family account, then you have to open family sharing and remove any of your family members from the family sharing, so that you can add a new one. This kind of error may be due to the full member of the account, which means you have enough members to join on family sharing. So you can simply remove that. Moreover, you can also create a new Apple ID, so that you can simply join with the new Apple ID on family sharing. And after that, if the problem is still there, then you can simply go to the Apple Store and ask for the solution of the problem. And after that, the next thing you can do is you can simply go to Apple discussion and ask for the solution of the problem from the Apple and iPhone users. So what you can do, so they can guide you in a better way. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.